It's got to fall apart. That's the whole point. These progressions are all about starting with something simple and recognizable, and then gradually pushing it further and further away from control. And obviously, representational is relative. Even my tighter version of the rooster is probably considered loose to a lot of people. But that first pass matters because it gives me something to respond to. So I'll usually begin with a simple acrylic sketch and try not to overthink it. Move quickly, keep the brush dancing across the surface, get the idea down before the brain starts trying to perfect everything. Then once I move into the second version, that's when things begin to change. Maybe I throw down random splashes of acrylic first. Maybe I smear paint around with a palette knife. Maybe I use awkward colors, bigger brushes, different mediums. The point is to interrupt the process, to shake yourself out of a routine, because we're not trying to make polished, finished art here. We're exploring, we're experimenting, we're searching for new ways to express the same subject. And eventually, if you push things far enough, the painting starts to break apart. That's where things get interesting. Now, obviously, that sounds easier than it is, especially if you painted a certain way for years, because art is physical. You develop habits. Your hand learns certain movements. Your brain learns certain expectations. So part of this process is expanding your physical range of motion, but the bigger challenge is expanding your visual comfort zone. Can you allow yourself to see beauty in something imperfect? Can you accept looseness, gesture, distortion, chaos? It takes time. And honestly, one of the best things you can do is simply live with the work. Put it on the wall, put it on the fridge, use it as a screensaver. Get used to seeing your art in this raw, expressive state, because eventually something starts to shift. You begin to realize those imperfections actually contain energy, emotion, movement, freedom. And once you see that, it changes the way you paint forever. Follow for more.